instead of comparing the what? Well, hopefully I'm making sense. The new car is related to the what? To the used car. Right? That's exactly what it says. Does everybody see that now? Right? If I do it the other way, what I did up here, I'm comparing the used car to the what? To the new car. All right, I want you to read that. Look up there and read that real quick and see if that makes sense, what I'm saying. All right? Because again, even after I read it, I made a mistake. So that's why I'm trying to tell you these are tricky. These are tricky. Is that now better? Yeah. Right? Because now the new car was what? The new car was $15,500. So we're technically taking the used car times 1.25, and that equals 15,500. And so now we do what? Divide by 1.25, divide by 1.25. All right? And so now take 15,500 divided by 1.25. And what is that?
12,400. Yeah,
Exactly 12,400.
Yep. Yes.
All right, so now, wow, today was not a good day to start to the day. All right, but now I need everybody, because I made a mistake on that, I want you to look up there, I want you to read it carefully, and I'm trying to make sure that you see the difference between the two. They give me the value of the what? They give me the value of the new car, which is 15,500. That is 25% greater than the cost of the used car. All right, so if it's 25% greater, it would be the used car times what? 1.25.
Do you use the top one for discount?
Yes, that's what we're going to talk about.
Okay.
All right, that's exactly correct.
Okay.
All right, very good. All right. Yeah, that was confusing. That's why I want you to look it over. And again, read it carefully to yourself and see if that makes sense. Again, this is the correct answer down here because I'm translating this equation, all right, from the problem itself. Is everybody with me on this now? All right. Very sneaky. All right. Somebody else? I think we should look at another word problem. Anybody else? We did basically the word problems, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I don't think, let's look at number 12 now. I'll do number 12 with you. All right, since that's a word problem. Yeah, I want to look at number 12 especially. All right, let's read it together. It says a skateboard costs $99.99. If you have a coupon for 20% off, how much will you save? Now, are they asking for the sale price? No. So all I have to do is take what? All I have to do is take what?
99.99 times 0.2
Times 0.2, right? Because the $99.99 is the original cost. Do you agree? So what I want you to do on your paper is you just write down $99.99 times 0.2, and somebody tell me what that is. You round it to the nearest penny, it would be what? 20 bucks, right? You could also say it's $100 pretty much, right? And so 20% off is 1/5 off, and 1/5 off is $20. Is everybody happy with that? Yeah, I don't think, I'm looking through here and I don't think there's that much more. I'm trying to find a harder one maybe for us. Let me see. 22, 73%. Okay, let's do question. Yeah, I don't think there's anything different. All right. Let's try 22 just to make sure. I'm going to make myself some space for 22, and then we'll read it. All right, here we go. The average cost of regular gasoline in North Carolina increased by 73% from 2006 to 2007. if the average cost of gasoline in 2006 was 2.069, what was the average cost in 2007? All right, let me read that again, and I want someone to tell me how they would type that in the calculator. All right, the average cost of regular gasoline in North Carolina increased by 73% from 2006 to 2007. If the average cost of gas in 2006 was $2.06 and 0.9, what was the average cost in 2007? Charlotte, tell me what to do. Just give me the numbers. What would I write down?
Okay, $2.069.
2.069.
And then multiply it by 1.73.
You are amazing. Everybody multiply that by 1.73. Do they agree with that? If you just multiply by the 73%, that'll just be the increase. All right. And
The answer is 3.
yeah, gas for whatever reason, which I never really understood why they don't round it to the nearest penny, but they don't. So go ahead, tell me.
3.58.
3.58. All right. So we'll just go with that. That makes sense.
How many
$3.58.
times don't you do 1.073?
Well, 073 would be 7.3%,
Okay.
right? Not 73%. Yes, sir.
On number 12, you said 99.99 is, and you said 20% off of 99.99 is $20.
Yes. Is that not accurate?
Yeah, because 20% off, wouldn't that be like
Round it
times
to
0.8, and then that would be like $79.99? Because 20% off, no way, that's $20.
Well, wait a minute. Wait a minute now.
$9.99.
What number? Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me talk to him, please.
Oh,
So
no, how much will you save? I didn't see that.
there you go. So now listen. That's what's common on a standardized test. Most people know how to do percentages, but they don't answer the question properly. You see what I'm saying, right? All right. So if they ask for what's the cost of the skateboard, you would then say $79.99. All right. And that's what I'm saying. You got to be real careful. Generally, all I care about is what? The cost. That's what the consumer wants to know. What's the cost? All right. I don't care about how much I'm saving. Just tell me what I have to pay. All right. So now, guys, I feel like we're in good shape. Now, does everybody understand what I'm saying about your calculator, right? Listen, I would prefer that you write down what operation it is, and then just use your calculator. Does everybody agree with me on that? All right, does everybody understand me? All right. So I think you have enough time today to get through this real quick because it's just a formula. Now, when you're doing question 14, 16, 18, do I really care if you just say it's 5 divided by 35 and round that? No, I don't. All right, you can just put the answers. But on the word problems, right here on 22, I kind of wanted you to write out the work there. Does everybody agree with this? Does everybody understand me? All right. So now, I think that's it for me today. All right, so I'm going to pause the video now. I'm going to upload it. And then I want you guys to try to finish up the homework so you don't have anything over the weekend. Good job today, guys.